Hey, today there's some pretty good news. If you like Capcut and you're a bit fed up with that subscription, Instagram has just released its own video editor called Edits. And in this video, we're gonna jump into it. We're gonna show you how it works and see if it's any good. Okay, so I've been doing some filming on my iPhone. We're actually filming on the iPhone 16 Pro right now. And I've got this edit here that I want to post on Instagram. So I wanna add captions and music to it. And we're gonna see how well this app handles that. So first up, I'm gonna upload the video and we're gonna select the captions option. So let's just see how accurate this is, because this is pretty important. Okay, not bad, but I do think there are too many words crammed onto each line here. So I'm clicking on the caption, jumping into the edit mode, and nice. I found a layout that puts just one word per line, and I think this looks way cleaner, so I'm happy with that. Next, let's check out the fonts. So I love that all of the classic Instagram fonts are here. That's a big win if you really want it to feel like it fits in with the platform. So I'll stick with the default for now, but I think it's really awesome that we've got this new variety here. Now I'm gonna add a drop shadow to make the text easier to read. And then I think let's throw in some music. So the app pulls in my saved audio from Instagram, which is really super convenient. I'm adding a track that I use a lot. Let's adjust the volume, and I think we're good. It even has sound effects, stickers, and cutouts if you want to get really creative with your overlays, which is pretty good. So now I'm happy with this final edit. I'm actually going to change the resolution. You've got HD, 2K, and 4K options, plus SDR and HDR to change your color space. So HDR is really going to pop if you want your colors to look great on Instagram. Of course, you need a phone that can film in HDR to be able to do this, but let's try this. So I'm going with 4K, HDR, and I'm going to hit export, and boom, it's ready to post to Instagram. And then directly from here, I can add my captions, my tags, all of that good stuff that we normally add into Instagram. So I think, a quick look, I think this is actually a really, really good app. It can do kind of most of what Capcut can do. Let me know if there's any features that you think are missing in the comment section below. We're gonna have a proper play around with this over the next few days, and maybe we'll do a few tutorials. So if you'd like to see that, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.